Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out in Quotex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log out in your Quotex app, all you need to do is simply tap open the Quotex app itself. So once you have opened your Quotex app, you will end up in this kind of interface which will redirect you to this page. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on the three dot icon, and once you tap on it, you will end up in this page where you can find the logout option right beside settings. So simply tap on the logout option and you will get logged out from your account. So now to log in, you need to tap on your country, your email address and your password and hit the login to account. So once you do so, you will get logged in into your account after being logged out. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.